Well, it's a beautiful day here. It's gorgeous. Clear skies, sunshine, plenty of snow, puppies waiting patiently for Ken to dig them out so that they can actually go someplace. Cars hasn't gone anywhere. Go figure. The mountain is still there. Yay. The trees are shorter. And let's see if I can get to the end of the porch without falling off. There is my beloved. Out behind the rhododendron. With a faithful John Deere. We had a neighbor come up, surprise us, and carved a path so at least we could slide down it if we needed to. But there's a lot of work to be done. I don't think I'll be going to work on Tuesday. Out this way, across the valley. There's a woodpecker who's been chewing on the house. That's frustrating because we can't do a thing about it. Can't get out to chase him off. Well, once you've seen it, you've seen it.